HEATPEX ARIA is a modular, modern, and very easy to install ventilation pipe system for heat recovery installations in single-family homes. Thanks to the use of the highest quality plastic and performance additives, the smooth surface of the pipes is 99% bactericidal and ensures a high level of installation hygiene. The HEATPEX company, meeting the expectations of heat recovery system fitters, provides a price-optimal system that attracts investors with its low price, aesthetic look, and high quality of the materials used. The original connection system enables easy connection and disconnection of all system components without any tools. The use of flexible corrugated pipes makes the installation easier and eliminates the need for additional elbows. The high durability of the light materials used allows for reliable system operation for many years, without the risk of mechanical damage or corrosion. The modular design of the system allows you the option to freely configure the installation to suit any building. This reduces the costs and the space needed for the installation, and at the same time minimizes the number of unused parts. The damper hidden in the plenum box makes the adjustments easier, prevents accidental distortion of the installation, and effectively suppresses the noise. This way, the system guarantees proper air exchange, even when the settings are changed or the diffuser is removed. Using the ARIA Planner application, you can design a heat recovery installation by yourself. The application will select the flow rate of the HRV unit, calculate the airflows for every room, and prepare a working design with a full list of necessary materials. When you purchase the HEATPEX ARIA system, you get a 5-year guarantee and full technical support. We will answer any questions regarding the installation and correct operation of the system. Learn more about the ARIA heat recovery system. Contact us today or ask at a wholesale warehouse. Visit the heatpex.pl website and use the ARIA Planner Design Assistant, which will allow you to prepare a heat recovery system for a specific house.